Welcome to Retirement Explorers Learn French series. In this episode, we break down 10 essential travel words and phrases that will make your French sound natural and help you enjoy cafés, courtyards, and hidden gems across France. Let's get started. Number 1.
C'est cours et ruelles.
Which means it's courtyards and alleyways. For example,
J'adore découvrir ces cours et ruelles cachées.
Moi aussi, c'est le charme de cette ville.
I love discovering its courtyards and hidden alleyways, followed by the response, me too. That's the charm of the city. Number 2.
S'échapper.
Which means to escape. For example,
J'ai besoin de m'échapper de la routine. Un voyage à la campagne serait parfait.
I need to escape from routine. A trip to the countryside would be perfect. Number 3.
Balade.
Which means a stroll or walk. For example,
On fait une petite balade après le déjeuner?
Bonne idée, il fait beau.
shall we take a little walk after lunch? Followed by the response, good idea, the weather's nice. Number 4.
Un bon cadre.
Which means a nice setting or environment. For example,
Ce restaurant a un bon cadre pour dîner en couple.
Oui, c'est très romantique.
this restaurant has a nice setting for dining as a couple. Followed by the response, yes, it's very romantic. Number 5.
Un café sympa.
Which means a nice cafe. For example,
Tu connais un café sympa dans le quartier?
Oui, il y en a un juste à côté du parc.
do you know a nice cafe in the neighborhood? Followed by the response, yes, there's one right next to the park. Number 6.
Ailleurs en rêver d'ailleurs.
Which means elsewhere or to dream of somewhere else. The first example is,
Et si on allait ailleurs pour boire un verre?
Bonne idée, changeons d'ambiance.
what if we went somewhere else for a drink? Followed by the response, good idea, let's change the atmosphere. Another example is,
C'est une jeune fille qui rêve d'ailleurs et d'aventure.
she is a young girl who dreams of elsewhere and adventures. Number 7.
Le trajet hors la route.
Which means the journey, route, or trip. For example,
Le trajet est long, mais la route est magnifique.
the trip is long, but the route is beautiful. Number 8.
Pépite.
Which means a nugget or treasure, such as a hidden gem. For example,
Ce petit musée est une vraie pépite.
Oui, je ne m'y attendais pas.
this little museum is a real gem. Followed by the response, yes, I didn't expect that. Number 9.
Les loisirs.
Which means leisure activities. For example,
Quels sont tes loisirs préférés pendant les vacances?
J'aime lire et faire du vélo.
what are your favorite leisure activities during vacation? Followed by the response, I like reading and biking. Number 10.
Flâner.
Which means to wander around for enjoyment. For example,
J'adore flâner dans les rues de Paris le soir. C'est la meilleure façon de découvrir la ville.
I love to wander around the streets of Paris in the evening. It's the best way to discover the city. New vocabulary, conversations, and real-life language tips drop every week, only on Retirement Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow learners, expats, and francophiles.
À très bientôt et bonne exploration.